New tonight, a helicopter crash this morning near the Prineville landfill. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Tracy Tuesday. At around 11:35 this morning, 911 calls began coming in of a helicopter crash off Southwest Houston Lake Road in Prineville. Take a look at video captured of the downed Aerocopter AK-13, which carried two male occupants, an 80-year-old pilot and a 46-year-old passenger. Both sustained serious injuries and were treated at the scene before being airlifted to St. Charles Bend. Their current condition is unknown. The helicopter crashed into an open field approximately 200 yards off the roadway. No ground injuries or property damage were reported. It appears the helicopter was privately owned. The Federal Aviation Administration and the National Transportation Safety Board were both notified, with the FAA taking the lead and will conduct an investigation of the crash and is expected to release a preliminary accident incident report in the coming days. We'll continue to follow this story and will report back any updates as they become available.